52 teams of 8 antique rival wisdoms compete to do the future a favor and guide a life at stop2think.com. Team quote 33.6. It is a sin not to do what one is capable of doing. José Martí 1853 to 1895. This powerful statement from Martí, the Cuban national hero and intellectual, echoes Voltaire's thought about the moral obligation to act on our capabilities. As someone who dedicated his life to Cuban independence and Latin American unity, Martí lived this principle through constant action toward his ideals. The quote carries several profound implications. It frames inaction as not merely a missed opportunity, but a moral failing. It suggests our capabilities create obligations. It implies that unused potential is a form of wrongdoing. It connects personal capacity with moral responsibility. What makes this especially meaningful coming from Martí is that he himself exemplified this principle through his work as a writer, philosopher, and revolutionary. He didn't just identify injustice. He actively worked to address it, using all his capabilities in service of his causes. The use of the word sin is particularly striking because it elevates the failure to act to a moral transgression, suggests we have a sacred duty to use our abilities, implies that waste of potential offends against a higher order, makes the obligation universal, not just personal. Have you felt this sense of moral imperative to fully utilize your own capabilities?
And to help raise school test scores and confidence with easy extra advantage math, spelling and reading workbooks you can download for free at stop2think.com or buy at educationstopshate.com. Sign up for free weekly emails of 52 teams of antique rival wisdom workbooks at stop2think.com. And if you'd like to get paid for sharing our wearable wisdoms, keep this in mind. Everyone I know wears a shirt, and most of us change them daily, so change your shirt and change the world. Social equalities are blatantly subliminal antique positive wisdoms repetitively shared without saying a word. This applies to all our wearable shareable wisdoms. Like pretty witty baby onesies and pretty witty kids. Youthful truths let your kids gain confidence sharing antique wisdoms with their friends. Imagine them sharing words of wisdom with classmates and teachers. I think therefore I think tees I wear is a super easy way to share words of wisdom. With wearable wisdoms to fit babies, kids and adults. You can clothe a whole family, city or state. So do the future a favor by encouraging, educating and entertaining with words of wisdom make us all wiser and kinder. Join the 52 of 8 today.